Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my class, English lesson. Morning students, how are you going? Hopefully everything is going well. Okay, before studying English, in chapter 1, I'd like to congratulate you all that you are now in grade 10. Congratulations, now you are in grade 10 and this is the first time we meet. You don't know me and I don't know you. So, at this time, in this class, we are going to learn talking about self. Apa sih yang ingin kita bicarakan tentang diri kita ke orang lain? So, bagaimana kita memperkenalkan diri kita ke orang lain? Because now this is the first time we meet in the class. You don't know your friends. I don't know you. You don't know me. And also your friends do not you don't know you. So in this occasion, we would like to introduce ourselves to others, ourselves to our friends. Nah, pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan berbicara tentang atau mengajarkan tentang things to talk about, and then introducing yourself and introducing other people. Now we move to the verse. It's about talking about self. If you want to talk about yourself to others, harus ada yang kalian sesuatu yang ingin kalian perkenalkan ke orang lain, perkenalkan ke teman kalian. For example, first name, it's a must. Ini harus, tidak mungkin kita berkenalan tanpa nama. Jadi ketika kita ingin berkenalan dengan orang lain, nah hal yang pertama yang kita lakukan adalah menyebutkan nama kita, ya kan? Tidak mungkin dong kita sudah berbicara panjang lebar, hobi saya ini, terus misalnya saya suka jalan-jalan ke sini, saya suka ini, saya suka itu, tapi teman kamu tidak tahu siapa nama kamu. So the first thing that you should do is tell your name to your friends or to other if you want to introduce yourself to the other. So name, my name is, for example. And then the second one is age. Age, umur. I am 17 years old. I am 20 years old. Atau I am 25 years old. And then address. Jangan lupa, ketika kita ingin memperkenalkan diri kita ke orang lain, then you say your address, where do you live. Okay? And then your occupation. Occupation is, apa sih pekerjaanmu? For example, I am secretary, I am a student, I am a farmer, I am a nurse, I am a teacher. Jadi occupation. Jadi karena kalian students nih, nah kalian bisa memperkenalkan diri kalian as a student to your friends. And then you say that I am a student. And then hobby. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? My hobby is cooking. My hobby is reading a book. My hobby is playing football. My hobby is playing badminton. And then you can also tell your friends about your family. For example, many things that you can tell about your family. For example, your father's name, your mother's name, how many brothers and sisters do you have, and then also your father's job, your mother's job, many things that you can tell to your friends about your family. For example, my father's name is Abdullah. My mother's name is Fatima. I have one brother and one sister. Jadi di sini banyak yang bisa kalian kembangkan ketika berbicara tentang family. And then now Inilah dia contohnya. Ketika kalian ingin memperkenalkan diri kalian. Misalnya, my name is Sri Rahayu. Nah, my name is Sri Rahayu ini bisa diganti menjadi I am Sri Rahayu. Oke, tidak mutlak harus mengatakan bahwa my name is Rahayu. You can say that I am Rahayu. Biasanya kalau my name is itu nama lengkap. Misalnya, my name is Sri Astuti Rahayu, for example. I am Sri Astuti Rahayu. And then you can call me Rahayu, or you can call me Sri, or you can call me Astuti. Okay. I am a student. I am a student. I am 15 years old. Biasanya kalau kelas 1 SMA itu atau kelas 10, ya 15 atau 16 tahun. Jadi kalian bisa mengatakan bahwa I am 15 years old or I am 16 years old. I am 15 years old, I am 16 years old. And next, I was born in. Nah, ini ada I was born on and I was born in. Oke. Ketika kalian mengatakan I was born in, it means that place, POB or place of birth yang ditanyakan, atau place of birth yang ingin kalian beritahukan ke teman kalian. I was born in Makassar. I was born in Jakarta. I was born in Yogyakarta. I was born in Bontolempangan. I was born in Paladingan. I was born in. In berarti yang ditanyakan adalah tempat, place of birth. And then, I was born on. Okay. Bedakan antara in dengan on. Kalau misalnya dia di situ on, berarti yang ditanyakan adalah what is DOB or date of birth. Okay, DOB, date of birth. Okay, I was born on 17 July 1974, or I was born on August 1995. I was born on July 2001. I was born on January 17, 2021. Okay. And then, I am originally from Jakarta, for example. I am originally from Java. I am originally from Toraja. You can say that I am originally from Palopo, but now I live in Makassar. Saya sebenarnya dari Jawa, saya sebenarnya dari Jakarta, saya sebenarnya dari Toraja, saya sebenarnya dari Palopo. Tapi saya sekarang now I live in Makassar, atau misalnya I live in Paladingan. Sekarang saya tinggal di Paladingan, tapi orang tua saya dari Toraja misalnya, gitu. Okay, and then my hobby is cooking. My hobby is reading a book. My hobby is playing football. My hobby is playing badminton. Banyak sih yang bisa kalian tulis di sini. My hobby is sleeping. Ada juga orang hobinya tidur. My hobby is eating. Ada orang hobinya makan. Okay, and then I have two brothers and 2 sisters. Ini about family. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. Okay, is it clear, students? Okay, ini digunakan jika ingin memperkenalkan diri kita ke orang lain. So if you want to introduce yourself to others, you can use ini semua bisa digunakan tadi contoh-contoh di atas. Nah, Ada ekspresi yang digunakan jika ingin memperkenalkan diri kita ke orang lain. Tidak dengan langsung mengatakan bahwa nama saya ini, alamat saya ini, tanggal lahir saya ini, umur saya segini. Nah, sebelum biasanya before introducing yourself to your friends, ada ekspresi yang digunakan. For example, hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Rahayu. You can call me Ayu. For example, I am 17 years old. I was born in Jakarta. Now, I'm originally from Jakarta. I was born in Jakarta. I was born on 17 July 2000, 2001. For example, I'm originally from Java and now I live in Makassar. So, sebelum memperkenalkan diri, ada ekspresi yang harus diucapkan dulu sebagai kalimat pembuka. I would like to introduce myself. Allow me to introduce myself. Hello, atau misalnya, hi, I would like to introduce myself. Allow me to introduce myself. Hello, let me introduce myself. Nah, ini ungkapan yang diucapkan ketika kita ingin memperkenalkan diri. Nah, sekarang move to the second part is bagaimana memperkenalkan orang lain. Nah, ekspresi yang biasa digunakan sebelum kita memperkenalkan teman kita ke orang lain adalah let me introduce you to. Oke, misalnya saya memanggil teman saya, Sri Rahayu sini dong. Let me introduce you to. Oke, atau misalnya ada teman saya yang lain saya panggil terus saya mau memperkenalkan Fatimah ke Rahayu misalnya. Let me introduce you to Rahayu. Let me introduce you to Fatimah. Or I would like to introduce my friend to you. Saya berteman dengan Rahayu sekarang, and then I'd like to introduce Rahayu to Fatimah. Saya ingin memperkenalkan Rahayu ke Fatimah, and then I say, I'd like to introduce my friend to you. Or I'd like you to meet. Oke, bisa. Jadi ada beberapa ungkapan yang kita bisa gunakan ketika kita ingin memperkenalkan teman kita ke orang lain. Seperti itu. Tapi harus ada kata pembuka, tidak langsung, ini loh si ini, dia loh tinggal di sini, alamatnya di sini. No, harus ada ekspresi yang digunakan atau ada kalimat-kalimat pembuka. Nah, jika ingin memperkenalkan ke teman kita ke orang lain, tidak lagi kita menggunakan I am kan, karena yang diperkenalkan kalau tidak laki-laki atau perempuan. Oke. Laki-laki atau perempuan. Kalau dia, berarti dia berganti subjek. Kalau dia perempuan berarti dia she. Kalau dia laki-laki, dia he. Oke. Terus yang terganti juga adalah possessive adjektifnya. Kalau dia she berarti possessive adjektifnya adalah her. Kalau dia laki-laki berarti possessive adjektifnya adalah his. So for example, her name is Siti Fatimah. You can call her Ima. She is originally from Irian. Now she lives in Palakningan, for example. She was born. Jadi semua subjek I yang tadinya I was born in, I was born on, I am originally from, or now I live in. Oke, ketika kita memperkenalkan teman kita ke orang lain, itu diganti subjeknya menjadi she atau he. Oke, contoh she. Berarti kalau she possessive adjektifnya adalah her kan? Jadi she was born in Malaysia, for example. She was born on 12 September 1994. She is originally from Kuala Lumpur. Now she lives in parang lompoa. Okay? And her hobby. Okay, yang dipakai bukan lagi my hobby karena yang diperkenalkan tadi si Ima, Siti Fatima. Ima berarti mainnya diganti menjadi her. Her hobby is cooking. For example, her hobby is painting. She has, berubah lagi she-nya, I-nya menjadi she. She has one brother and no sister. Kan bisa seperti itu kan? Okay? Bagaimana students? Is it clear? Okay, so later if you want to introduce yourself to other, kalian sudah tahu bagaimana memperkenalkan diri kalian ke orang lain. Nah, if you want to introduce yourself to others, kalian juga sudah tahu bagaimana caranya memperkenalkan diri kalian ke orang lain, teman kalian ke orang lain. Jadi kalau dia laki-laki berarti dia he, kalau dia perempuan berarti she. Nah, possessive adjektifnya adalah kalau dia perempuan berarti her, dan kalau dia laki-laki adalah his. Okay? His name misalnya. Yang tadi kan saya kasih contoh her, sekarang his name. He has one brother and one sister, atau he has no brother and no sister. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much, students, for your attention. See you next time. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for joining class today.